Hi guys, welcome back to the Paragems Decoder. In this session we are going to see what are the iterative statements in Python. There are two iterative statements in Python. First one is the for loop and second one is the while loop. If you want to execute a group of statements multiple times, then we should go for the iterative statements. Python supports the two types of the iterative statements. The one is the for loop and second one is the while loop. We will divide this into the two parts. In first we will discuss the for loops and second part we will discuss the while loop. So let's jump on the for loop. What is for loop? If you want to execute some action for every element present in sequence, it may be the string or it may be collection, then we should go for the for loop. Okay, I repeat, if you want to execute some action for every element present in sequence, that sequence can be a string or that sequence can be a collection, then we should go for the for loop. What is the syntax for loop? We can see here, we just write for, it is x in whatever the sequence will be there, that sequence we will mention, colon, we will give indent here, and then whatever the body, that will be here. Okay, so let's see with one example here. So see, if we want to print the characters present in the given string, suppose here this s, we have created the string c is equal to Paragems space decoder. Okay, here we have mentioned the space. So this is the string and we have to iterate on each character present inside this print Paragems decoder, and we have to print these all characters. So what we will do, we will use here for loop for the iterating over this each character, means p a r a g g e m s space and this remaining character one by one. So the syntax, as per syntax we have seen here, for x, this x can be anything, you can use here I or any name, anything. Suppose I, for I in this in, and whatever the sequence or whatever the string we are having, whatever the element on which we have to iterate, we will give here. We have to iterate on the string, so we have given here s colon, then this indent we have given, and print. Inside print, what we will mention here, I have mentioned x because we have given here before x. Now what we will do here, we will give I. Okay, let's run this cell. So you can see here we got this iteration one by one letter we have got here in print statement with this space also here after s and d, one iteration for space. Okay, suppose with the same syntax we will discuss another example. See, suppose this string is ASDFG. What will give this? ASDFG. Okay, in this way. Now suppose we have to print the elements index wise, which whatever the elements present inside the string, and we have to take the input. Okay, string as an input. So what is the syntax? We have given here s, cs is equal to input, inside input what? Input, inside input we will mention the instruction enter some string. Then this will take the string. We have given here I is equal to 0, C, and for x in S, this S, whatever the string we will take, for x in S colon, print the characters present at I, C, this is comma I, this is comma, this is again string we have given, index is comma x. Okay, and this print statement, the print statement is complete. And now whatever the I is equal to 0 we have given here, we will increment it with 1. I is equal to I plus 1. Okay, this even we can write like plus equal to 1 also. So what will return this? C. Again I will repeat, S is equal to, we have taken this input as a string. In for loop we are iterating over this S, so this will give us the elements in string index wise. Okay, index wise. To get that index 1 2 3, what is the index? 0 1 2 3 4, we have given here I, which is initiated here before the for loop. See, this I is initiated here before for loop, and after printing the character at the 0th position, what will be after 0? Due to this increment of the 1, we will get the first position, and this for loop again goes back. Let's run this, then I will again show you the flow. See, the string we will give James space decoder. Let's run this, let's enter. So we got here all these print statements with the index I and the whatever the element is present inside that index. So see here, we got here character present at 0 is P. See here, in our string, which is Paragems decoder, first is P, second is A, third is R, then A, then G, okay, like this. Then space also. So you can see here space is also taking one element position here. See, at the 9, the character present at 8, 9 index is, it is getting the position here as the space. Okay, so in this way we can use the for loop and get the readings. I hope you are clearly understanding this. See, now we will do some changes again. We will run this cell. Now we will give 1 2 3 4 5. If we will give a number, what will happen? Let's see. It is inside the input statement, everything is taken as the string, as we have discussed in the previous string lectures, where we have clearly discussed these input statements. Whatever we give inside the input, it is taken as a string. Okay, so we have given here number 1 2 3 4 5, so it converted into the string due to input statement, and we got the 1 2 3 4 5 index by index. Okay, and we get the position index wise every element. See, at 0 it's 1, at 1 it's 2, at 2 it's 3, at 3 it's 4, and 5, so on. So in this way for loop are working. So let's jump to the next example. See, here I have taken the multiple examples to clear everything from the for loops, so you will not remain any doubt in your mind. You also try the different variations for this, so you will get complete understanding. See, a is equal to range of 10 and print a. So we get here range 0 comma 10. What is the range here? 0 comma 10 we get, means it is nothing but the kind of list we get here, and 0 comma 10. And when we will iterate over this list here, x in range 10 means x in range 0 comma 10 means it is the list of 0 to 9. And when we will iterate over these 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9, so 10 times we will get the output. Let's run this and see. Again, for x in range 10 colon print parag. See, you got this 10 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and this 10. Okay, so in this way for loop is working with range. Again we will discuss one another example. Let's see here. Display the number 0 to 10. So how to display number? Again here we will see the range function, and with the help of range function similarly we just print this x statement. Previously we have given here the print statement, it got us 10 times. Suppose you come to the question, or in the interview, if the interviewer asks you the question like give me numbers from 0 to 10, then what you will do, you have to just give for x in range 10. If he gives you the display the numbers from 0 to 20, what you have to give for x in range 21. Okay, similarly, I hope you are understanding. Suppose he asks for the 50 numbers, you have to simply put here 51. Okay, in this way this is working. So let's check for the 10 numbers now. So we have to 0 to 10 numbers, we have to give the 11 here. Now what we will do, run this statement. So see, we got here 0 to 10 with this. Suppose he told you give me the number 0 to 5, simply in this statement provide the range 6. See, you got 0 to 5 numbers. Suppose 10 modulus 2, so it is giving 0. When we got the complete division in with the modulus operator, we get the remainder 0. When we divide 10 with the 2, we get the division 0. Complete division we will get here. Then we got 0. So modulus operators gives us the remainder. Suppose we divide this with the 3. What will happen? What we will get here? What will happen? 10 modulus 3. So what will be the remainder? 3 3s are 9 and 1 will be remainder. So due to this modulus we will get the 1 as a reminder. Okay, in this way with the use of this logic we are going to find out the odd numbers here. So as we know, we are getting these odd numbers like this. If we have to get the even numbers, what we will simply do here, even numbers from 0 to 20, we will give here 1 comma 21, and then because as we know 0 divided by 2 and 0 is not even, not odd, so what we will do here, in this statement we will just change this 0 with 1. So we don't want 1 as remainder. Now run. See, we got the even numbers from 0 to 20 with this syntax. Okay, with the for loop we can go with the multiple variation you can try for this kind of the statements. Now see another example. In this example, what is mentioned? To display number from 10 to 1 in descending order. Descending order means from high number to lower number. See, for x in range 10, 0, -1 is the syntax when we will give and print x. This will simply give us the descending order. See, 10 to 1. Okay. So in this way we got the descending order. Suppose we have mentioned this like this. See, 0, 10, 1. So we will get here ascending order. See, okay. In this way, different variations of for loop we have used here, and I hope you understand what is the use of the for loop while using this into the Python programming. I hope you will practice these sessions. You will watch this. If you did not understand, please watch again and again, and try to practice and more examples, so you will get the hands-on practice of these all syntaxes. Okay, so thank you so much guys. In part 2 we will discuss the while loop in next lecture. So till then, bye bye, have a nice day and keep learning.